Greg Marchand here. You want to hear of a really, really cool tool to help you gather a lot of information from anybody you're talking to? I read this awesome book called Never Split the Difference by Christopher Voss. He's a former FBI international hostage negotiator. The dude knows how to negotiate. He knows how to talk to people. And one of the things he talks about in his book is this mirroring technique. And all mirroring is saying back to the person you're talking to the last 2 or 3 words they just said to you. And then zipping it. And then just staying silent. And as soon as that person hears that silence, they will fill in those gaps. So think about that. Say the last 2 or 3 words back with a question mark after it. All right, so the example I give in classes all the time is Mrs. Smith, tell me how you use this automobile. Oh, mostly just on Tuesdays and Thursdays to deliver, meals to the needy. Meals to the needy? Meals to the needy. All right, that's 4 words with a question mark. And then I am silent, right? And then Mrs. Smith is going to fill in more information. She's going to tell me why it's important to her, how she does it, why she does it, who she does it through. And all of that information I can use in my sale. All right? So try mirroring. Try it at home. Try it with each other. Try it at the next social gathering.